Hello and welcome. For those of you who don't know me, I am Claire McInnes, owner of Beautiful Things. Beautiful Things is a studio here in Brentwood in Essex where we teach sewing and craft classes to anybody who wants to learn. Now, it's a great place to come and be, but we appreciate that not everybody is local to us, and so you can't come into the studio, which is why we have launched your opportunity to be able to get involved with the action from the comfort of your own home. Back in October 2018, I launched the So Beautiful Things online sewing club, and it has been such a hit. We decided we would open the doors initially to a small cohort of people and run for 6 months, see how we got on, and then if all went well, we would open the doors again. And it has been fantastic. Basically, all it is a subscription group where you pay quarterly and you are sent a sewing project bi-monthly. And every other month you get a fantastic video tutorial, which I've written, created, drafted, recorded, edited, and done everything myself. You also get access to a private Facebook group where everybody chats, shares their work, shares where they've been shopping, what they've bought, etc, etc, and all written instructions and patterns from your own dedicated website. So it's a fab place to be. There is a quarterly subscription charge, which we take manually, and then you just sit back and wait for the emails to plop into your inbox with instructions from me. So I thought I'd share with you what the members of the group have been making so far. Now, the first project we did was one of these lovely makeup bags. You might have seen these online, available to buy. When you pull on the drawer cords, they open up into a complete circle which lays flat with all of your makeup in. Now, I came up with this pattern based on the bags that I'd been seeing on social media. So I've written it and come up with the tutorial. Also including the tutorial was how to make it bigger if you wanted to make a big ginormous one and use it as a playmat for Lego, trains, cars, that kind of thing. The light's doing funny things in here. One sec, that's a bit better. So that was project number one. I'm going to just pop up here now while I talk to you some of the examples of the bags that people in the group have been making, and I'm sure you will agree they are fantastic. There's some really cool prints here and they've done some really cool things with their bags. Project number two came up just in time for Christmas and we made quilted placemats. This one was made with Christmas fabric and a pair of old jeans. And then we also made them from really pretty quilting cottons. It was a nice simple project that people could make quickly. They could choose whether they wanted to bust through their stash and scrap bust, or they could go out and buy fabrics especially for it. Again, I'm going to share some of people's makes up here now. Now, the last project has just been released, and that's why I can now tell you all about it, because the members of the group know what they're going to be doing. It is kept a surprise until the date of release, so they're always keen and excited when it comes up to the first of every other month because they don't know what they're going to get. This month we're making doorstops. So you can see square doorstops. They have a zip in the bottom so you can get to the stuffing, so you can take it out and wash it. And it comes in two sizes. There's the large ginormous one, which again has a nice zip in the bottom, and a slightly smaller one. So you can see they have had so many fantastic courses for their subscription. It works out at just under £15 a month. So we have another 3 fabulous projects starting in April. I cannot wait to share them with you. The doors are currently open so you can join our second cohort, but they will close on the 1st of April. So if you want to join, you need to join by the 1st of April. Otherwise, we've got another 6 months before anyone's coming in again. I'm super excited about the next projects that we have to do. So I would love to share some of the reviews with you that I've had from this course because they're so lovely. So Sue says, I joined this club because I don't have the luxury of attending many face-to-face sessions for a number of reasons. I was a little apprehensive as a novice on how I was going to cope, but I honestly didn't need to worry. I've joined a group of very supportive people, not just to me, but to everyone, and it's a lovely feeling to be part of something that you enjoy. Claire gave me my very first lesson 18 months ago, which was a gift from my hubby, and I was hooked. And now to have the ability to continue to learn and do something I enjoy with her continued support and the other members, but at my own pace, is absolutely fantastic. Highly recommended. And has gone on to say, my first experience of an online sewing group. Clear and helpful video tutorials and guidance notes from Claire. Lots of friendly help and support in the Facebook group where we get to share our queries and photos of our makes. I've already gained confidence in using new fabrics and learned new techniques with support from like-minded sewing enthusiasts in the group who are always happy to answer questions about what to buy and where from. I like this one. Sharon says, Claire is full of enthusiasm and support, and the group share their makes and places to buy, different uses for projects worth every penny. And then I'll tell you this one, there is about 20 on here, but I'll go just skim through them. I would highly recommend this sewing group. There's brilliant items to sew, excellent tutorials from Claire, and a dedicated Facebook page for all members to chat and ask questions, get advice and show completed items. Everyone is so supportive and friendly, and there's absolutely no pressure to complete the items. Do everything at your own pace, which is absolutely perfect. Oh, actually, I will do one more. I've spent far too much hard-earned cash buying sewing magazines and trying to hone my newbie sewing skills by following a cartoon strip instruction in the publication, which was never easy and more frustrating. With the sewing club, I still get my fix of the project plopping on my email doormat, but I also get video instructions. My sewing mentor Claire within easy reach, and the support and friendship and community of all the other club members on Facebook. Thoroughly recommend this club 100%. So if you want to read the rest of the reviews, and there's loads, I will link the club down below, and if you just scroll to the bottom of the page, all of the reviews are sitting there for you to read. So I think it speaks for itself really. It's a great club. It's been so much fun to run. It's been lovely seeing a little community coming together before my very eyes. There's been real genuine friendships made, which is absolutely fabulous. So before I finish, I'm just going to answer a couple of questions for you, which I know you will have. So the first question is always, how do we access the videos? They are on their own dedicated website, which you will be sent a link to, and you will be able to find all of the instructions on exactly the same site to download. The second question, which I get a lot, is do I have to do the course at a specific time? No, you don't. We will release the courses every other month on the 1st of the month. So we'll start in April, then there'll be one in June, and there'll be another one in August, and so on and so on. But they go onto the website and they stay on the website. So you can come back and you can do them whenever you like. You work at your own pace. Next, people like to ask, how can I get help? I am always on the Facebook group. You can jump on Facebook, you can post your questions, and if you don't have Facebook, you have access to me via email, or you can even phone me up, or if you are local, you can pop into the studio. Do the courses expire? No, they don't. They stay on our website. You can come back and you can do them whenever you like. Am I gonna have to spend lots of money on fabrics? No, you're not, but should you choose to, don't blame me. I always try and make the projects so that they don't use too much fabric, and also I give you options for using things that you might have in your stash, or upcycling things such as curtains, clothes, jeans, things that you might have in your home. Obviously, if you want to go out and buy brand new fabric for every project, then don't let me stop you. What if I choose to leave? That's absolutely fine. If you choose to leave the club, you can leave at any point you like. Simply cancel your subscription. When you get kicked out of the group will be dependent on when your money runs out. So if you pay your subscription and then you cancel it that same month, in 3 months' time, when your next subscription is due to come out, you will then be removed from the group. So you will continue to receive access to the projects for the following 3 months, and it won't be until your money runs out that you're taken out of the group. So you can cancel your subscription at any time. How much does it cost? Well, it costs £10 to join. So you can secure your space in the next cohort today by clicking the link down below, paying your £10. That's your administration charge. That's your space secured, and that's you in the group. And then what we'll do as we come close to the 1st of April, we will contact everybody who's paid their application fee. We will send them information as to how to set up their quarterly subscription and how to access the site. And your quarterly subscription will then start from that point. So it will be the end of March, beginning of April. How much is the quarterly subscription? It is £44.97. It works out at £14.99 a month. Do I have to pay my subscription fee to be able to join? Yes, you do, but not straight away. As I mentioned, you can pay your £10 joining fee, and then your subscription charge will start right before the 1st of April. Now, what you do need to know is that this price is fixed for this cohort. If we choose next time we open the doors, which will be April, May, June, July, August, September, which will be October. Next time we open the doors in October, if we choose to put the price up, then we may well do so, but your fee will remain always at £14.99 a month. It's never going to go up. So if you choose to cancel your subscription and you leave the group and you then want to come back to us in October, you're welcome to do so, but be aware that the price may have gone up. So if you want to join the best sewing club on the internet, well, I'm biased, but if you want to join a fantastic sewing club, make new sewing friends, be creative in your own time, as and when you like, then this is the place you want to be. Click the link down below. It will take you to the page which tells you all of the information you might have. And if you've got any questions, feel free to ask. I'm really looking forward to opening the doors again in April and welcoming a whole ton more of you into our fantastic sewing community.